Another shitty day. I can't really see the raindrops, but from the sound, oh yeah, I can see that. It's pouring heavy. Oh man. Oh man. Look at all this water. Oh man. Look at my face. Oh. Right now we're a little bit past 10 a.m. Normally I'd still be in bed because I'm back on my nocturnal lifestyle. It only takes me one night going out late and then my schedule shifts back completely. Anyways, right now it's 10:15 a.m. I'm a little bit late. I want to go catch the fight between Mike Tyson and Roy Jones Jr., which is a historical fight. I'm not a huge sports fan, but I really like interesting fights, and I think this is gonna be one. And when you live in Asia, this is what you gotta do to catch like Western sporting events, because they all happen in the evening, especially if it's an event in North America. If it's happening in the evening, it means early in the morning here. Now the whole card, hey, are you letting? Are you yelling? Oh, she's on the roof there in the rain, throwing stuff down. Anyways, the fight, the whole event started at 8 p.m. Eastern time, so that meant 8 a.m. here. But the only bar I found, or a restaurant I found that would be playing this fight, is opening at 10 a.m. to catch the main card. The main card starts at 10 a.m., but Tyson and Roy Jones Jr. are supposed to start fighting around 11. So I'm a little bit late for the main card, and it was not possible to catch the whole event because the only place I found was not going to be open for like the early fights, the pre-main card fights. So yeah, I'm lucky too because it's only 200 meters from here. So I guess we're gonna get wet and try and catch the fight. Oh man, it's super heavy. I don't even have an umbrella or a raincoat, but it's only 200 meters away, so we can do it, I think. Ooh, man. You got my lucky flip-flops. Hopefully they don't break this time. Oh man, oh, I'm lucky. There's a bunch of awnings here, so I don't have to walk under the rain the whole way through. Oh man, I'm gonna take full advantage of those awnings. Ciao. Oh yeah, baby. That's almost half of the way covered. And some trees. I'll take everything. Oh man. We can do it! We can do it! Oh man. Like I said, luckily this event is not too early. Like, if I wanted to keep watching like hockey games from back in Canada, a lot of the times hockey games were around 7 p.m. So that's like 7 a.m. here. In bigger cities, usually places that will open up early for sporting events are usually like sports bar restaurants, and they'll make like a special schedule for specific events. I know not all hockey games were available to watch when I was living in China. In Vietnam here, the community, the Canadian community is even smaller. But in Shanghai, I know like during the playoffs, some bars, some restaurants would open. But yeah, when you live in Asia, that's what you gotta do to catch sporting events from the West. Oh man. Oh, so I think it's supposed to be in this little alley here. It's supposed to be in this little alley. Oh, there's so much water on the ground. It's been raining like this for almost 2 days straight. All right, have to find a spot. The little restaurant bar is called Deja Brew. I think they're usually opening at 4 p.m. but for this special fight, they're opening at 10 a.m. Man. Good job. All right, let's go again. Oh, I'll take this awning right here. I took a quick look at the map. I think we're almost there, guys. And ladies. Deja Brew. It's here. It's open. Oh, the fight is already? Is it already started? No, it's not the main fight. Okay. Hello. Is it the same place?
Yes,
is it Canary? Okay.
Yeah. Because of the rain, we have to
Hey, what's up, buddy?
try and be a bit more strategical with our seating.
Yeah. I can imagine. Thank you. Yeah.
Big guy. Yeah, he is now. He's getting big. If he jumps up, just give him a slap on the nose there. Okay. There you go.
Oh, that's the menu.
If you're hungry, we've got some new pies on the menu.
Oh.
Lamb, and potato, beef rendang, steak blue cheese, steak and kidney. Yeah,
Okay.
there's a few decent pies if you're interested.
Breakfast pies.
Exactly. Yeah, so we have peppered steak pie, steak and kidney, mint lamb potato pie, beef rendang, steak blue cheese, or steak mushroom pie.
That's interesting.
But take a look. Let us
Okay.
know what you fancy. No worries, yeah.
All right, I guess I'm gonna have a UK style breakfast. Let's go look at what the crowd is like here in the seating situation. Oh, it's a full house. Damn. Thank you.
Under 30 seconds left. We left on 5
not yet the main fight. Okay, so apparently I'm here in advance. There's still like 2 more fights before the main fight I came for. And apparently they also have actual breakfast, like American style breakfast, like eggs and toast and bacon. So that's what I'm gonna have, because I don't know, I wasn't feeling like having a pie for breakfast, like a meat pie. And we're in a bar, so I had the apple juice, gold apple cider for breakfast. We're in a bar, so. Cheers.
But he's done alright for himself, so he's just like a YouTube star, you know what I mean? And now he's doing all this weird stuff, like.
Here's the problem, child. Jake Paul hoping to be a problem for Nate Robinson tonight.
Damn, I didn't even know that this event involved a YouTuber fight as well. So there's Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson. Apparently I didn't miss this fight. It's the upcoming fight. I'm not gonna show you the fight because copyrights. But yeah, and one of the hosts is Snoop Dogg. Dang.
This is the last one. Sure? Yeah, just said it. Ah, right, okay. There you go.
All right, Nate Robinson, former NBA star at 5'9", 43.5-inch vertical, helped him win NBA veteran.
An NBA veteran versus a YouTuber about to have a boxing match. Here's the breakfast. Looks pretty nice. Get some toast. And the potatoes are coming. Oh, I missed the knockdown. I have to miss some of the earlier fights if I want to be eating. My seat is facing the other way. Again.
It really does. Yeah, bounces on there's a problem, yeah. Yeah, the problem was it should have been over before.
He's completely knocked out. Jake Paul, the YouTuber, won.
Jake Paul, the YouTuber. Is it YouTuber?
Yeah, he's a YouTuber.
Oh, he beat up that ex-NBA player, right?
Yeah. It's a weird, a weird matchup.
I think he's out.
He's completely out. Man.
We look to get the crossover of Robinson doing this for his family, his brothers in the NBA, athletes across the world, and his children.
It's pretty good.
It didn't turn out the way he would have liked.
No, there's money in that.
Strange combination in the morning. It was good.
This ain't a game, man.
This is not a sport. This is a lifestyle.
Exactly.
It's not a sport, it's a lifestyle.
Ray Leonard, what do you make of what we just saw?
And the potatoes should be here in a minute. The whole thing, the whole breakfast is, let me check again.
What did you like about his technique?
The whole breakfast together is 85,000 dollars, so that's almost $4.
Has ruffled more than a few feathers, but Snoop Jake Paul has delivered.
I lost money. My son just hit me and said, run me my money.
Snoop Dogg is the commentator of this fight.
That was the first one.
If you notice the way
He got him good.
Man, that's a slam dunk.
Slam dunk. The whole place is completely crowded. But there's some more people arriving just now. I don't know where they're gonna sit to watch this fight. Probably the busiest morning this place had. So the breakfast is halfway through, and the potatoes arrived. Those are really nice. I love both of those fighters, but I'll be honest with you, I'm rooting for Mike.
Bell in round one, Ray Corona with a, well, pivotal task. The referee has to really be on the ball. Mike Tyson is good. Come out as
Everybody has a plan until they get hit. You got hit, and how did it affect you?
I went to plan B. I hit him back.
All right.
See ya, buddy.
All right, so one breakfast and a boring fight later. It was a draw. It was a pretty boring fight. If I knew, hindsight 2020, that's the theme of this year. If I knew, I would have stayed in bed. But now I'm back in the rain, heading back to my room. Might take a little nap and do some editing, because there's not much else I can do today. Hope you found this video a little bit interesting. A little bit? Maybe? Just a little bit? And I'll catch you in the next one.